If you're starting from absolutely zero followers on Instagram, I need you to stop stressing because you're at the most perfect situation possible. A blank account means no bad data, no wrong audience, and no algorithm confusion. And in this video, I'm going to give you my exact step by step playbook that I give to my clients to go from zero to their first 10,000 engaged follower. Hi, I'm Gaurav. I'm an Instagram growth coach with over 40,000 followers, and I've helped dozens of creators start from scratch and turn those audiences into real income. So let's get straight into it. Number one, pick a lane and stay in it. The number one mistake that beginners make is that they post about everything. Monday they're talking about fitness, Tuesday they're talking about traveling, Friday they're talking about motivation. This way, the algorithm doesn't know what your content is about, and neither does the viewer. You need to pick one niche, one target audience, and one problem that you solve. That's it. When someone comes to your page, they should know in the first 3 seconds what your content is about. And if they don't get to know what your content is about, they won't follow you. Number 2, optimize your profile like a landing page. Your bio is your first impression. Most beginners write anything in their bio. For example, NYC girl, living my best life, coffee lover. Nobody is going to follow you for that. Instead, use this formula: who you help, what results you get them, and what to do next. Your profile picture should be a clear headshot of your face, not any logo. Put your keyword about your niche in the name field so that when people search that particular keyword or particular topic, you show up. And your highlight cover should be organized and on brand from day one. Number 3, the content mix that actually grows your account. Here is exactly how to split your content. Reels for reach, because that's how new people discover you. Carousels for saves and shares, because saves are the most strongest signal you can send to the algorithm. And stories for connection, because that is how you build real connection with the people that already follow you. When you're starting out, at least aim for 4 posts a week. 2 reels, 1 carousels, and post daily stories. Consistency beats everything. The algorithm rewards the account who show up consistently. Point number 4, engage before you post. Here is a strategy that most beginners skip. Before you post, spend at least 15 to 20 minutes leaving genuine and thoughtful comments on the reels or posts of some bigger accounts in your same niche. Not just random comments like a fire emoji or a great post. Actually say something that is valuable. It's just free exposure to an already warm audience in your niche. Number 5, track what's working. Every week, look at your insights. Which reel got the most reach? Which post got the most followers? Which post got the most engagement? Double down on what's working and cut down what isn't. Most people post blindly and wonder why it's not working. Growth on Instagram is a feedback loop. The data tells you exactly what your audience wants. Your only job is to listen to it.